Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. This is one of my favorite recipes and I like to make it often when I have these over-ripened bananas. And I already pre-measured most of the ingredients just so I can show you how I make it. So I take and I peel 2 bananas, and if you like it to be really flavorful with lots of bananas, you can add more if you like, but I usually do about 2. And then you can use a fork, or I just use this potato masher. Mash up the bananas like that. And then after you mash up your bananas, you're gonna add 2 eggs that are beaten. And always make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. After you have your eggs all beaten, you can go ahead and add them to your bananas. And then you're going to add 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. And I'm going to mix that all together now. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Make sure that's nice and mixed. And then you're going to combine your dry ingredients. Here are the dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 2/3 of a cup of sugar. I combined a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Put that all together, and I'm going to mix it up. Make sure it's all combined. And then when that's all mixed, you can combine everything together. And before I usually start making my banana bread, I usually preheat my oven to about 350 degrees. And I pre-grease the baking pan. And I usually use a 9x13 baking pan. This is what it looks like right here. And then when that's completely mixed, you're just going to put it in your baking pan and cook it for about an hour. And if you want, you can add chocolate chips to it. A lot of people like to add nuts. And I actually have a 1/2 cup of walnuts that I'm going to chop up, and I'm going to add to this as well. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. And I'm going to use my chopper. I don't want the pieces to be too small, but I don't want them to be completely whole. I'm just going to add the nuts, like that, and mix it all in. And when it's completely mixed together, you can put it into your baking pan. then I flatten it out. There it is. I hope you guys enjoy this banana bread recipe, and if you have any recipes that you like to make, I would love if you could share it with us. That would be awesome. Thanks.